In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Trip.com account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to avoid common pitfalls so the process goes smoothly. Before we begin, remember that deleting an account is permanent. You'll lose access to your booking history, loyalty points, and saved details. If you have upcoming trips, refunds pending, or receipts you might need for expenses or taxes, take a moment to review and download anything important first. Start by opening your web browser and searching for trip.com. In the results, look for the official site. It should display the trip.com domain with a secure padlock in the address bar. Avoid any sponsored links that don't clearly point to the official domain. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner and select Sign In or Register. Sign in with the method you originally used, whether that's an email and password or a linked account. Make sure you can access the email or phone number associated with your profile, since you may need it for verification in a moment. After you're signed in, click your profile icon in the top right and choose Profile. This opens your account center where all your personal and security options live. From here, find and open Account Security. Depending on your region or device, it may appear as Security or Account and Security, but it will be the section that controls passwords, verification, and closure options. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Account Security page and select Delete My Account. This is where Trip.com outlines the consequences of closing your account. Take your time reading the terms. Look for notes about active orders, vouchers, loyalty balances, or any data that will be removed. If you still need to download invoices or confirm the status of an upcoming booking, pause here and take care of that before continuing. When you're comfortable with the terms, click Next. You may be asked to confirm several prompts acknowledging that the closure is permanent. Then, follow the on-screen security checks to verify your identity. This often includes entering a one-time passcode sent to your registered email or phone. If the code doesn't appear, wait a moment, check your spam or junk folders, and ensure you have a stable connection before requesting a new code. After you've successfully verified, confirm the permanent closure. You should see a final confirmation on screen. That's it. Your Trip.com account is now scheduled for deletion. If you ever decide to return in the future, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. Thanks for watching and take care.